Hello, hello, welcome back to the show, Slim people. My name is Slim Papa Showstopper, coming to you from Slim's Shady Trailer Park right here in beautiful Palm Springs, California. Today I'm going to show you how to make turkey balls. That's right, turkey meatballs. Selma Crapoff gave up red meat for New Year's, so I decided to make meatballs with half turkey and half turkey sausage. Here we go. Let's take a pound and a half of ground turkey and a pound and a half of spicy turkey Italian sausage. Let's add 3 eggs, 3 tablespoons of minced onion, 3 tablespoons of Italian flat leaf parsley chopped fine. We're going to take a cup and a half of plain panko breadcrumbs and a cup of freshly grated Parmigiano Reggiano cheese, about a teaspoon of kosher salt, and let's make them up till it's nice and well blended in it. Then we are going to roll our balls. Let's take a little bit of the meat mixture, about the size of a golf ball, roll it about 10 times in our palm, and let's do this with all of the meat mixture. All right, let's take a large saute pan. Let's put it over medium heat, add about a tablespoon of olive oil. Then we're gonna wipe up the excess, let that pan heat up for about 2 minutes. Then we're going to add our balls to the pan. Let them cook on one side for about 4 minutes until they are golden brown. Then we're going to flip them all over. We're going to cook them on the other side for about 4 minutes until they are done. Let's slice one open, see what it looks like. Oh, she's looking so nice. Let's put our balls in the sauce, the tomato sauce. Then we're going to take a tablespoon of olive oil, wipe out the pan, and cook the rest of our meatballs. 4 minutes on one side until golden brown, and then turn them over and cook them for 4 minutes on the other side until golden brown and done. When they are done, let's put them in the sauce. Let's give them a mix, give them a stir, and that's it. Slim's balls of turkey meat. They are so nice. They're delicious.
Saturday, you're a summer breeze that chases all clouds away. You're my Saturday, you're a summer breeze that chases all clouds away.